morning, students. Today I am going to teach you parts of speech. I will give you a brief introduction about parts of speech. I think all of you are eagerly waiting to study the parts of speech. And in deeply we will study in the next lectures. So without wasting of time, we will start this. So as you know that parts of speech, there are 8 parts of speech in the English grammar. Okay, basically there are 8, and there especially there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar, or we can say there are sometimes we can writing 9 in others also. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now we will start the first noun. A noun is a word which names a person, place, thing, or a quality, or we can say it is a type of a feeling. Quality means it is a type of a feeling of that quality. For example, if we're talking about the example, suppose a person, name like that, Mayank, Mohan, Hina. Places we can say country, city, India, Delhi. Things we can say balloon, book, rose. About the feelings we can say happiness, sadness, anger. These all are what? Noun. Now we will learn pronoun. Second is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in a place of noun. So that is used in place of noun. That is known as what? Pronoun. It is also, for example, I, we, you, he, she, they, his, her, me, my, your, us, their, it, etc. These are what the examples of pronoun. If we take an example, Ram is a good boy. So Ram is a noun. When we replace it by he is reading. Okay, suppose Ram is reading. So he is reading. So he is what? A pronoun. In I, we, you, he, she, they, these all are pronoun. Now adjective. An adjective is a word that tells something more about a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that tells something more about noun or pronoun. Good, bad, much, little, many, this, what, which, blank, etc. These are what? The adjective. If we talk about the example, Manoj is a good student, Rose is a beautiful flower. Okay, Manoj is a good student. So Manoj is a good student. About the Manoj, what it is? It is good. Good is what? Yes, correct. Rose is a beautiful flower. So beautiful. It is telling you something about the rose and flower, that it is beautiful. It is very beautiful. So it is telling something about the noun. Okay. Now we will learn about the verb. A verb is a word that shows an action. Okay, it shows an action. There are some words that help verbs in a sentence. They are called helping verbs. There are some words that help verbs in the sentence. They are called a helping verb. There are basically two types of verb, main verb and helping verb. For example, verb like eat, drink, sleep, play, laugh, etc. These are what? These are the verbs. And when these shows that we are doing an action. These showing that we are doing some action. Okay, helping verbs. When we talk about the helping verbs, these help the main verb is, are, am, was, there, has, have, had, etc. Now adverb. An adverb is a word that describe a verb. It will tell an adjective or another adverb. So it will describe that it will describe about the verb, adjective, or another adverb. For if we talk about an example, okay, as it names the adverb. If we talk about an example, suppose when we are saying that adverb, so an adverb is a word that describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. If we talk about the example, Pinky sings sweetly. Okay, what is verb in this sentence? Sing. Sing is a verb, but sweetly. Okay, it describing that how she is singing. That is adverb. Rohan run fast. So run is what? The verb, but how he is running, that is told by the adverb. Fast. He is running very fast. Now preposition. Okay, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun, shows its relation to other word in a sentence. Shows its relation to other word in a sentence. If we're talking about the example, okay, so on, under, in, near to, upon, about, by, with, for. Okay, so preposition we can say it is placed before a noun or pronoun which tell a relationship between to the other words in the sentence. What is the relation of it in the other words? Now conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. It will join, either it can join some words or it can join some sentences together. For example, and, but, so, because, or, till, until. So these are what the examples of conjunction which can join two sentences or words also. So it will help in joining the words and sentences. Now the last one is interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. Sudden feeling or emotion means what is happening and directly we are saying that suddenly we feel something or express our emotions. Like when we get shocked, we are saying, oh, wow, yes, hooray, etc. These are what the expressions or the emotions that or the feelings that we express suddenly. Okay, if we talk about an example, alas, we lost the match. When we lost the match, suddenly we get a sad feeling. Applause, we lost the match. And if we take some other example, hooray, tomorrow is a holiday. Okay, if we talk some other example, when we are very happy, hooray, tomorrow is a holiday. So we are very happy. So we can say that happy is also a feeling, sudden feeling. When we and alas is also a feeling, but when it's a sad feeling, and hooray is what it is used for a happiness feeling. Okay, इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड एंड के साथ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क आते हैं. ठीक है, इफ वी अगर हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इंटरजेक्शन कैसा है तो हम बात वी कैन से दैट एक्सक्लेमेशन जो मार्क है उसको देख के हम कह सकते हैं कि इट इज व्हाट इंटरजेक्शन. इफ वी विल सी ओ के बाद भी इंटरजेक्शन है, वाह के बाद भी अलार, उसके बाद भी हुर्रे. when we see the interjection words then we can say that yes, it's